Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create these mazes. Let's open a new document, set the fill to none and leave the stroke black. Next, select the Polar Grid tool. Double-click on it to open the options window. We are going to create a very simple maze. To create a more complex maze, set the dividers to a fairly large number. Let's set the concentric dividers to 2 and the radial dividers to 8. Now click, hold and drag to create a grid. Let's align it to the center of our artboard. Next, open the stroke panel and increase the weight so there are no white areas in the middle. Now go to Object and choose Expand. Press the Shift and M keys on your keyboard to switch to the Shape Builder tool or select it from the toolbar panel. Now press and hold down the Alt key to get the minus symbol next to the cursor and delete the center part. Next, delete other parts to create a maze. Switch to the Direct Selection tool and select only these two end anchor points. Now move them beyond the circle's boundary. Let's delete this part to create an entrance. Be sure everything is selected and then go to Pathfinder and choose Unite. If you wish to round the corners, first switch to the Direct Selection tool. Now click on one of the Round Corners widget and drag. To create a rectangular maze, select the Rectangular Grid tool. Let's change the horizontal and vertical dividers to 8 and create a grid. Next, increase the stroke's weight so the black and white areas are about the same width. Now go to Object and choose Expand. Switch to the Direct Selection tool. Let's move these two anchor points outside the square to create an entrance, and these two anchor points down to create an exit. Now switch to the Shape Builder tool and delete some of the shapes to create a path through. It helps to have a sketch for reference. Now let's delete a few more areas. When you are happy with the look of your maze, select everything and then go to Pathfinder and choose Unite. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.